Hello, fellow herb enthusiasts. I'm Sally from Herbal Health and Vitality, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this aromatic adventure as we delve into the wonderful world of rosemary. This fragrant herb, with its needle-like leaves and distinct aroma, is so much more than just a culinary garnish. Today, we'll uncover the incredible power of rosemary, exploring its numerous health benefits, rich history, and versatile uses. From boosting brain power to adding a touch of magic to your meals, rosemary has something special to offer everyone. So grab a cup of herbal tea, settle in, and prepare to be amazed by the remarkable rosemary plant. Rosemary is a treasure trove of health benefits, a versatile herb that has been cherished for centuries. Generously offering its gifts to support our well-being, rosemary is more than just a culinary delight. Let's explore some of the amazing ways rosemary can enhance your health and enrich your daily life. Firstly, rosemary is known for its cognitive-enhancing properties. This aromatic herb has been linked to improved brain function. Studies have shown that rosemary can improve memory, focus, and overall cognitive performance. The scent alone can boost mental clarity. This makes it a valuable herb for students, professionals, and anyone looking to keep their minds sharp. Imagine sipping rosemary tea while studying or working. Secondly, rosemary acts as a potent antioxidant, protecting our cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants are crucial for maintaining health. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and various diseases. By neutralizing these molecules, rosemary helps to slow down the aging process. Rosemary's antioxidant action helps combat this damage, promoting overall health and vitality. Including rosemary in your diet can be a simple yet effective way to boost your antioxidant intake. Thirdly, rosemary can help soothe digestive discomfort. This herb has been used traditionally to relieve various digestive issues. It has traditionally been used to relieve bloating, gas, and indigestion. A cup of rosemary tea after a meal can work wonders for your digestive system. Incorporating rosemary into your meals can be a gentle and effective way to support healthy digestion. Its pleasant flavor makes it a delightful addition to many dishes. Fourthly, this versatile herb can also help alleviate pain. Rosemary's anti-inflammatory properties make it a natural remedy for various aches and pains. When applied topically as an essential oil, rosemary has been found to ease muscle pain, headaches, and even arthritis symptoms. Its soothing properties provide relief without the need for synthetic medications. Its analgesic properties provide natural pain relief. Whether it's a tension headache or sore muscles after a workout, rosemary oil can be a go-to remedy. Finally, rosemary can enhance your beauty routine. This herb is a powerhouse when it comes to hair and skincare. It can be used in hair care to promote hair growth, reduce dandruff, and add shine. Regular use of rosemary oil can lead to healthier, more vibrant hair. Rosemary oil can also be added to homemade skincare products for its antiseptic and toning properties. It helps to cleanse and rejuvenate the skin, making it a valuable addition to any beauty regimen. Beyond its impressive list of general health benefits, rosemary has a long and storied history as a medicinal plant. This aromatic herb, with its needle-like leaves and woody aroma, has been cherished for centuries not only for its culinary uses, but also for its therapeutic properties. Rosemary's medicinal journey dates back to ancient civilizations. The Greeks, Romans, and Egyptians all revered this herb for its healing capabilities. It was often used in religious ceremonies and as a symbol of remembrance and fidelity. For centuries, traditional healers and herbalists have relied on rosemary to treat a wide range of ailments. From digestive issues to mental clarity, rosemary's versatility in herbal medicine is truly remarkable. One of rosemary's most notable medicinal uses is in supporting respiratory health. The herb's essential oils contain compounds that can help soothe the respiratory tract. It acts as an expectorant, helping to loosen and clear phlegm from the respiratory tract. This makes it particularly beneficial for those suffering from bronchitis, asthma, or other respiratory conditions. This makes rosemary an excellent ally during cold and flu season, as it can help relieve coughs and congestion. Drinking rosemary tea or inhaling its steam can provide much-needed relief from these common ailments. Rosemary has also been traditionally used to support liver function. The liver, being a vital organ for detoxification, can benefit from the herb's stimulating properties. It is believed to stimulate bile production, which aids in digestion and detoxification processes. Incorporating rosemary into your diet, whether through cooking or herbal infusions, can support overall liver health. However, Further research is needed to fully understand rosemary's effects on the liver. Modern science is still uncovering the full extent of its benefits and how best to utilize this powerful herb. Furthermore, some studies suggest that rosemary may play a role in regulating blood sugar levels. This is particularly intriguing for those managing conditions like diabetes. This makes it a promising area of research for managing diabetes. The potential for rosemary to help regulate blood sugar levels could offer a natural complement to traditional diabetes treatments. However, it's crucial for individuals with diabetes to consult with their healthcare provider before incorporating rosemary into their treatment plan. Professional guidance ensures that it is used safely and effectively. In traditional medicine, rosemary has also been used to address menstrual irregularities. Women have turned to this herb to help balance their menstrual cycles and alleviate the discomfort associated with menstrual cramps. It is thought to help regulate menstrual cycles and alleviate cramps. Drinking rosemary tea or using it in other forms can provide natural relief for these common issues. However, more research is needed to confirm these traditional uses. While anecdotal evidence is strong, scientific validation is essential to fully understand and endorse these benefits. It's important to note that while rosemary has a long history of medicinal use, it's essential to consult with a qualified healthcare professional before using it to treat any health condition. This ensures that you are using the herb safely and effectively. They can help you determine the appropriate dosage and ensure it won't interact with any medications you're currently taking. With the right guidance, rosemary can be a valuable addition to your health regimen, offering a natural way to support various aspects of your well-being. Section 4, A Sprig Through Time, Rosemary's Rich History. Rosemary's story is interwoven with ancient civilizations and captivating tales. Let's journey back in time to explore its fascinating past. The name rosemary is derived from the Latin words rose meaning dew and marinus meaning sea, aptly describing its preference for growing near the coast. The ancient Greeks and Romans held rosemary in high regard, associating it with remembrance, love, and fidelity. In ancient Greece, students would wear rosemary garlands in their hair during exams, believing it would enhance their memory and concentration. Rosemary was also used in funeral rites, symbolizing remembrance for the departed. During the Middle Ages, rosemary was believed to ward off evil spirits and protect against the plague. People would hang rosemary sprigs in their homes, burn it as incense, and even place it beneath their pillows to ward off nightmares. Rosemary's culinary use dates back centuries as well. It was a common ingredient in medieval European cooking, adding its distinctive flavor to meats, soups, and stews. Its popularity in the kitchen continues to this day, with rosemary being a staple herb in many cuisines around the world. From ancient rituals to modern-day meals, rosemary's legacy is a testament to its enduring allure and versatility. Section 5, Finding Your Rosemary Fix. Ready to experience the magic of rosemary for yourself? You're in luck! This versatile herb is widely available in various forms, making it easy to incorporate into your life. Fresh rosemary sprigs can be found in the produce section of most grocery stores. Look for vibrant green sprigs with a fresh, aromatic scent. Fresh rosemary is ideal for culinary use, adding its unique flavor to a wide range of dishes. If you're looking for a longer-lasting option, dried rosemary is an excellent choice. It's available in the spice aisle of most supermarkets and retains its potent flavor for months when stored properly in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. For those interested in experiencing rosemary's therapeutic benefits, essential oil is the way to go. Rosemary essential oil is extracted from the plant's leaves and contains a concentrated dose of its beneficial compounds. Look for high-quality, pure essential oil from a reputable brand. Rosemary can also be found in various other forms, such as teas, tinctures, capsules, and even beauty products. With so many options available, you're sure to find the perfect way to incorporate this amazing herb into your daily routine. Section 6, Cultivating Your Own Corner of Rosemary. Why not invite the magic of rosemary into your own backyard? This versatile herb not only adds a delightful aroma to your garden, but also serves as a wonderful culinary companion. Growing your own rosemary is surprisingly easy and rewarding, allowing you to enjoy its fresh, aromatic sprigs whenever you please. Imagine stepping outside and snipping a few sprigs to enhance your favorite dishes. Rosemary thrives in warm, sunny locations with well-drained soil. It's a hardy plant that can withstand drought once established, making it perfect for various climates. Choose a spot in your garden that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. This ensures that your rosemary gets the energy it needs to grow strong and healthy. If you're short on space, rosemary can also be grown successfully in containers. This makes it an excellent choice for apartment dwellers or those with limited garden space. You can start rosemary from seed, but it's easier to propagate it from cuttings. Seeds can take a long time to germinate and grow, whereas cuttings root more quickly and reliably. Simply take a 4 to 6 inch cutting from a healthy rosemary plant, remove the lower leaves, and place it in a pot filled with moist potting mix. This method ensures a higher success rate and quicker growth. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged, and place the pot in a warm, sunny location. A sunny windowsill can be an ideal spot if you're growing rosemary indoors. With a little patience and care, your rosemary cutting will develop roots and flourish into a beautiful aromatic plant. This process can take a few weeks, so be patient and keep an eye on the moisture levels. Once established, rosemary is relatively low maintenance. It doesn't require much attention, making it perfect for both novice and experienced gardeners. Water it regularly, especially during dry periods, and fertilize it a few times a year with a balanced fertilizer. This will ensure that your plant remains healthy and productive. With proper care, your rosemary plant can thrive for years to come, providing you with a constant supply of fresh, fragrant sprigs. Regular harvesting also encourages new growth, keeping your plant lush and full. Growing your own rosemary is not only a practical choice, but also a deeply satisfying experience, allowing you to connect with nature and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Whether you use it in cooking, for its fragrance, or even for its medicinal properties, rosemary is a wonderful addition to any garden.